Hello? Anybody hear me? Good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing today? Let's turn the music on. There it is. Good morning, chat. Hello. Shout out to the chat, baby. Let's go. All right. Got a few things to talk about today. Talk about what happened in the market. Today is gonna be I'm gonna be answering some questions. I'm seeing a couple questions on Discord, so I'm gonna be answering some of that. Papag-usapan natin yung XRP, kung anong mangyayari. How many of you guys nag-panic sell? Nakita ko may malaking drop, pero okay lang yan. Let's see here. Still waiting for a couple more people to show up. While we're waiting on that, let's do this real quick, guys. So, where you at? Because you guys are here. Hello everybody. What's going on? Musta na kayo dyan? Make sure you guys like the video. Hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button as well. We're about to kick things off. Bakit po biglang dip kanina si XRP? We're gonna talk about that. Alright. Let's go here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get things started. Sino nag-hold and sino nag-panic dito? Laki ng drop na yan. Pero okay lang yan. There's a big support right here. Nakikita nyo yung support ko. Team payaman. Tignan nyo yung yung thumbnail ng YouTube video. Sa taas, may little emoji with the laser focus eyes. Tapos, may TP. It actually stands for Team Payaman. If you guys didn't know that. Damn hands. Yes, baby. Let's go. Alright. So, kagabi, di ba nakita natin tong candle na to, malaki to. Pero sabi ko may dito, malaki yung wall dito sa 195. So, ang nangyayari dito, so if you look at the 4-hour chart, so, puntahan nyo yung 4-hour chart, this candle here started from that 197 all the way down, brought it down all the way sa 171. So since malaki yung wall dito, it looks like this candle here was a retest down to the support. This support here, retest, holding pretty well. Tapos it's probably a shakeout. Shaking out the weak hands, baby. Bago siya mag-move up ulit. So ang prediction ko pa rin is still intact. It's still gonna go up. But what this is looking like at the moment is a rising wedge. ganyan. So it's still gonna hindi pa natin naabutan yung price target. So right now ang nangyayari is probably it's just getting rid of all yung mga sellers, ganon. So you see this big volume of sellers dito sa baba. So yan ang nangyayari ngayon. So big volume, smaller candle. So we just need to close above this support line dito. As long as we close this candle, this big red candle, kako-close lang niya actually not too long ago, mga 7 minutes ago. So it opened down here and it's still opened right below sa line na to. So this is the support line. It's holding pretty strong. So we just need to get rid of all the sellers bago tayo mag-move up ulit. Okay guys, yan ang nangyayari ngayon sa market ng XRP. May nakita akong tanong sa Win. Wala naman nangyayari sa Win ngayon. Ganun pa rin. It's still let me change this. There you go. So basta yung support line nyo, it's touching the candles, the very edge or the very end of each candle sa support sa baba. There's another touch here. This is your last line of support. So basta hindi siya bumaba dito tapos mag-break, then you're still good to go. So there's a touch here which is still holding. Hindi natin alam kung magbe-break siya soon and bababa siya dito and retest this support, or magba-bounce siya dito and trade sideways a little bit more and then finally break somewhere. Yan ang kasi yan ang dito dapat kayo maghintay kasi nasa triangle pa siya, and then bago kayo bumili dito, kailangan nyo maghintay and wait for a breakout sa upside or sa downside, kasi doon nyo malalaman kung anong decision ng kailangan nyo gawin. So wait for the breakout. So any candle na for example like this down here, it broke out the support right here, and then it retested this last piece of support down here. Tapos so this is a strong support. So nag-bounce siya, retested itong line na to, tapos tumaas siya, but na-reject siya dito sa resistance. So bumaba ulit, retest this support, and then still trading sideways. So just wait here. This is a 4-hour chart. So 4-8 mga mga isa dalawang araw pa bago natin makita yung So today is Wednesday. So may baka Thursday, Friday may makikita kayong movement dito sa Win na to. Alright guys. Move on to BTT. So we're still in an accumulation phase sa BTT. It's still kind of bouncing off this support right here, which is good because malakas na support to. So eventually it's gonna come to a squeeze. Ang tawag dyan, squeeze. The closer that it goes to the corner of a triangle is called a squeeze, guys. When a squeeze happens, usually it will break out pretty big, and lalo na the longer it consolidates, the bigger yung move niya. So it can either break out to the downside, which is less likely kasi sobrang bearish na to. Nasa bull market tayo, so baka mangyari is it's probably gonna break out to the upside, and you're gonna see something like this, or actually it's probably gonna be like this first, and then it's gonna keep going up. So yung first price target niya is right here, 0.015 cents ang price target ng BTT. Ano pa? Let's go back to XRP. Yeah, it's looking pretty healthy. The total crypto market cap had a little, kind of like yung nangyari dito sa XRP. Ganun din. Bigla siyang bumaba. Tapos, the wick, nakikita nyo itong it's really long wick right here. So the sellers push the price down, right? Sellers push the price down, starting from here and right there. And then buyers stepped in and pushed the price back up. Ganyan yung nangyayari. Let's see. Let me answer. Okay na natin pa yan. Please, quick recap. Nangyayari sa XRP today. Yeah, for sure. Diamond hands. So, yan ang nangyayari. Pay attention to this area here. Kasi, this is the total market recap, or total market cap of the altcoins in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right here. So, Bitcoin is... let me get rid of that. So, Bitcoin is right here. So, this is where Bitcoin market cap, the total market cap for Bitcoin is... bigla na lang siyang tumaas, kaya bumaba lahat ng altcoins. And then, so once you see this, go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at all-time high right now, 64k per one Bitcoin. So back in sa 2012, bumili ako ng $100 worth of Bitcoin. Dami na yon. Ang ginawa ko, binenta ko na lang. Binenta ko. Oh no, I didn't sell it. I bought a game with it. Bumili ako ng game. Alam nyo yung Moo Online or something like that? Yeah. Dapat held it, right? Let me go over to the Discord kasi may mga questions doon. Let me go over some of the questions here. Dami. I'm gonna go over to the most recent ones. Let's go to the most recent ones. Dogecoin. Let's see. Tignan natin Dogecoins. Laki ng move ng Dogecoin. So, I think kagabi nandito pa siya. So, nakikita nyo tong line. This line right. Let me show you where this line is. Right there. So, kagabi nandito pa siya in this price range right here. And this arrow points to this resistance dito. So, this arrow indicates you need to take profit here on this price range. And then there's another resistance sa taas right here, which is 16 cents. That's another point to take profit. So it's actually, if pag may profit na kayo dito, it's okay to secure your profits kasi profit is profit. I mean, you're making money already, and then you can actually hold, like what's one of my friends said he was gonna sell some right here, and then he kept some of his Dogecoin. And look what happened. It still kept going up. So hindi pa to tapos. It's still gonna keep going until it hit its price target, which is 16 cents. So first price target was dito, 11 cents. The second price target is 16 cents. Actually, the very first price target was down here, 8 cents. Pero na breakout siya, and it just kept going up. 4-hour chart too, ha. Dogecoin or VeChain. Let's see. Let's look at VeChain real quick. I'm actually, that's gonna be on my top 5, Doge and VET, kasi they both have the potential to become something one day. So if you hold Doge, just keep holding it. Give it about 5 or 10 years. The average return, or let me say this, the average holding time for any investor is about 5 years. Average is 5 years bago kayo makakita ng return of investment, right? So just keep accumulating both coins, VET and Dogecoin. Yun ang dalawa sila, maganda sila. Haral Doge, yes, for sure. Kissing na. Oh, good evening na pala dyan. Nakakalimutan ko. Let's see. Kakamit na lang na. Wink. Let me see. Let me answer some more questions on our Discord. Let's see. I want to see what y'all's reaction was sa drop ng XRP. Gusto ko makita. So, anong oras ito nangyari? So, let's see. So, this was, okay. Anong oras? 5:59 a.m. So, let's see what happened here. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go. This all I've ever known. 3:52 a.m. dito. The chat went crazy around 2 o'clock in the morning last night. Let's see here. I want to see where it's kung saan siya nag-start. Ayun, I think I see it. Siguro kumili muna. Paano yan? Why is XRP down? Nagbaba ang expert. Saan po nakabili? Okay. Sa spot ako. Ang hirap mag-deposit. For some reason, maraming nahihirapan sa mag-deposit sa XRP ngayon. Kasi parang marami kasi yung pumapasok sa XRP. So, here's an update on what's happening here sa XRP. It looks like this candle is gonna wick down as well. So what you can do is you can draw another line like this, kasi there's still a wick. You can still see the wicks right here, and you need to make sure that you have another line of support dito, kasi it's trying to go down, but you can see that buyers are still stepping in dito sa in this area here. Marami pa ring buyers. So I'm not worried. Hindi ako worried until actually it goes down dito around this price range. So that means this would be the top for this phase. Alright, hindi na siya umabot dito sa base 5. Pero tignan natin. May time pa rin kasi nandito pa siya sa within this wedge right here. Pero ang target price niya talaga is $2. Ano yung pinakamagandang coin for long-term investment? Pinakamagandang coin ngayon, in my opinion, is XRP for sure. Kung alam nyo lang ang utility ng XRP, then you would know why. Kasi lahat ng bangko in the world is actually gonna be using the XRP ledger. So, maraming magagamit ng XRP. So, as far as utility, sending money and things like that. Now, is it gonna be yung world currency? May nagsasabing oo, pero hintayin natin kung totoo yun or not. But right now, it's looking like there's a lot of may mga alam niyo yung mga conspiracy surrounding XRP is XRP is tied into some type of government, mga ganon. XR or Ripple, yung Ripple Labs, may maganda silang plano kung on how to make crypto become better, I guess, in a way, kasi Ripple Labs XRP is the one that bridge all currencies. So there's a lot of things you need to learn about XRP para malaman mo like kung is it gonna be of some value in the future, kasi yes, that's yun, one thing na kailangan mong I guess research is why should you buy that coin. Like for example, Dogecoin. Bakit nyo bibili ng Dogecoin? Is it just a pump and dump? Is it because it started off as a meme coin, but it turned out to be a $1 billion coin or multi-billion-dollar coin. So ngayon may plano na si Elon Musk on his Dogecoin. So ngayon may dito, may malaking investor, his name is Mark Cuban. And in Dallas, Texas, he has a stadium, and you can actually use your Dogecoin sa stadium niya, and you can purchase clothes, things like that, in that nature. So things like that you need to pay attention to kasi may potential yung coin na yon. Kaya sabi ko, Doge is one of the good ones. It can it reach $1? Yeah, that's definitely possible. There's a higher probability that it will hit $1 versus other coins that are less than a penny. Yeah, XRP has a lot of utility. So, let's see here. So, ano yung pinakamagandang coin for long-term investment? Yeah, we got that. We'll go over some more coins. So far we went over XRP as my number one choice. About 92 and 89, then nag-dip ulit po kanina. Again, rest, vet, and Doge. Yeah, so if you bought kung dito ka bumili, then you need to hold. Kasi you need to ride this wave out. You need to ride this out until you're in profit. Never sell never sell, guys. The only way you will lose money for sure is if you sell. So even though na let's say bumaba siya dito for some reason, pag dito ka bumili, bumaba siya dito, kailangan mo mag-hold. Huwag kang mag-panic sell kasi diyan ka diyan ka matatalo for sure. Your thoughts about Panday? Yeah, Panday, I've been hearing about that. We were halted, Panday. We were halted for a while. I don't know if it's back online. Hindi ko pa na Pero maganda din yan, Panday. Check ko yung website nila. Kasi tinatry kong i-trade yung Panday. I don't know if I'm saying it. I'm just gonna say off the ticker name. The ticker symbol is NPX or NPXS. Pero let's see. Ito yung website nila. So, kung magre-research kayo sa sa any coins you want to invest in long term, then you need to go into their website and actually dig deep sa mga nangyayari sa company nila, ano yung plano nila, saan yung white paper nila, mga ganon. So, flourishing ecosystem, it looks like it's expose. Let's look at expose. So, digital buy and sell, accept digital currency. So, maganda to. It's para siyang it's like a payment company, kind of like Square, PayPal, mga ganon. It looks like it's mainly used in Asia. So, tingnan nyo yung white paper. Saan ka na? About the Express Partnership Store. Let's go to home. It's usually down sa the very bottom of the page. Payment systems are really good companies. They were featured in CNN. All these are reputable para siyang press companies. Business Insider, CNN is big dito sa US. Forbes is a really good one. Expose is available. Yeah, so mainly in Asia area, Europe. Let's see. Saan yung white paper nila? Okay, let me just go down. I mean, so far, just looking at the website, it's very well made. Maganda yung pagkagawa ng website nila. So may sarili silang wallet kung may marami kang NPS XS. So that's a good thing. You have your own keys and everything. So pag marami na kayong coins, definitely put it in a wallet. Is it okay to have multiple wallets? Definitely okay lang. Kasi ako marami na akong wallet. Kasi not every single wallet, guys, hold every single coin. So you need to have multiple wallet para ma-store mo yung coins mo doon. Hindi lang mga isang exchange or two exchanges. Minsan kasi, at least dito sa US, you need multiple exchanges para ma-trade mo yung coins na gusto mong i-trade. Kasi it's not just one exchange that carries all coins. It's you need to have multiple exchange para lang ma-trade mo yung coins na gusto mo. Yeah, maganda yung Panday X. Good stuff. Marylist. Ano yan? Marylist na XRP Coinbase. Oh. Sorry, hindi ako mamo. There's been talks on it. Tignan natin yung mga fina-follow ko sa Twitter account ko. Kasi today is a big day for Coinbase. Malilis yung Coinbase IPO sa US Stock Exchange. So, it's gonna be a crazy day kasi everybody's waiting. It's just they're waiting for Coinbase to be listed. Coinbase is apparently coming out with a big news soon, and it could be regarding XRP, relisting XRP sa Coinbase ulit. So pag nangyari yun, for sure we're gonna see something happen here. Maybe a breakout of this wedge here, like it's a bigger candle. Okay, a bigger candle come out here, and it's probably gonna stick around $2. So after that, hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari kasi if it keeps going up, then let's say to $2.50, you need to be very careful around that price range. Always be careful, and isipin mo risk management, right? So take profit anytime that you're in profit, and then like I said, like I always keep saying, guys, stay patient kasi dun ka lang how do you say, like, that's the only way you can make money in this type of business is if you stay patient. There's always a time to trade. It's not always just jump in kasi dyan ka matatalo. You don't know. You need to know talaga kung saan ka magja-jump in. Hindi lang, I'm just gonna jump in here because, the price is going up. Oh, the price is going up. I'm gonna miss out on this, emotional yan eh. Emotional trading. So, wag mong gamitin ang emotion mo pag magti-trading ka. Wait, hold on, calm down, relax, go outside. I don't know, whatever you do, take a break. And then, look at the charts. Look at the chart kung ano yung nangyayari sa chart. Kasi, like I always do, man, whatever this is, this up and down, sanay na ako dyan eh. That's nothing new to me. So, hindi na ako na-excite pag tumata. I mean, yeah, no, I get excited when it goes up, for sure. Pero, ang nakikita kong buying opportunity is right down here, and then this one right here, I'm waiting, hintay ka lang. Pero, I've been accumulating all right here. I seen this pump and dump from Wall Street Bets. Sabi ko, Wall Street Bets is pumping the market. Tapos, alam ko mangyayari, bigla siyang magdadrop. Maraming nag-excite dito. Tapos, daming bumibili dito. Tapos, bigla na lang bumababa. So, sabi nila, bakit bumababa yung That's why, alam nyo yung feeling na, oh man, I'm gonna buy right now. Tapos, bigla na lang bumababa. That's that euphoric phase, right? So you need to analyze the market, ano talaga yung nangyayari, so that way you can make smart decisions, right? I mean, you don't have to be super smart sa trading. Actually, trading is, I don't know, for me is really easy. I started in 2017 without knowing, wala akong background sa trading, and I just sino ba yung nag-introduce sa akin sa trading sa 2017? I can't remember. Hindi ko alam kung sino yun. But anyways, for some reason, I got into crypto. No type of knowledge, yung like as in talaga. And then I don't know, I was just buying shit. Bili lang ako ng bili. And then I found XRP. Actually, XRP was one of my major coin, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna research the company, and then I fell into some scam back in 2017. And hindi ko alam kung alam nyo yung BitConnect. BitConnect. Yayaman tayo. Put your Bitcoin in here. Put your Bitcoin in here and compound interest, mga ganon. Sabi ko, oh shit, ganda to, yayaman ako nito. Calculate ko na lahat ang income ko dito. Shit, dami kong pera nilagay doon. At the end, Ponzi scheme lang pala yun. Sabi ko, talo talaga ako eh. Pero may XRP pa ako. Iniwan ko na lang sa wallet ko. It sucked, man. Dami kong pera na talo doon. Nawala. Team pa yan. BitConnect. Oh my God, man. Sobrang excited talaga sa BitConnect. Tapos, sinabihan ko pa yung mga kaibigan ko. Sabi ko, ay, sign up kayo dito. Deposit nyo Bitcoin. Bili kayo Bitcoin. Ilagay nyo dito. Mayayaman kayo. 100K, 17-year-old now. Oh shit, lahat ng ipon ko sa investment at trading na scam. Oh my God. See, that's the thing, right? We live and we learn. So, that's what makes you smarter. Okay lang na magka-mistake tayo. Like, it's okay to make mistakes. Basta we can learn from it is the thing. It's the key. Learn from the mistake. Kahit anong mistake, man. Just learn from that mistake, and then trust me, the next time around that same mistake happens, you already know. That's how you build your character, diba? 4 months running group namin, then suddenly boom, tinako. Oh my God. Not good, man. Not good. Sometimes you have to be, sometimes, like I said earlier, you step back. When you're emotional, step back. When in doubt, zoom out, baby. Pause everyday ba tong live stream mo? Yes. Well, not every day. Monday to Saturday lang po. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time. It's 7 a.m. 9 a.m. dito. But yes, Monday to Saturday. Let's go over. So XRP, this is gonna be a boring sideways trading. Up though, it's gonna go up, but it's gonna be a boring sideways trades. Let's look at some other things. So yesterday's chart, hindi ko pa na erase yung yesterday's charting. So I said I close above this box. Nag-close siya dito, retest, tapos last resistance that I needed to break was this here, and then it broke that resistance, came down. Let me zoom in. Came down right here, all the way down, retest the box, support. This now becomes support, guys. So anytime na mag-break siya sa upside as this resistance here, that resistance becomes a support. Okay, from resistance to support, once it breaks up, it's gonna always come down to retest. Okay, guys, you will always see a red. It doesn't matter if it's a red or green candle sometimes, as basta mag-retest siya dito or dito, and then now it's open here. It's kind of coming down, but this candle, the last one right here, has about another 3 hours left. So you need to wait to see where that candle goes. Kasi right now it's just underneath this support here, but it's still in play. So kailangan nyo maghintay kung saan talaga to pupunta. So minsan kailangan mo talaga mag-wait kung saan kung anong yung nangyayari sa candle, like for example here, this sideways trading, that one right there. Always wait here in this triangle kung magbe-breakout siya sa upside or sa downside. Usually, nakikita nyo na kung saan pupunta kasi of this last candle dito, nandito na siya sa taas. So, open, close. The opening body of this candle is right down here. Yung closing body niya is right up here. So, once this 4-hour candle ended, another candle opens above this resistance. Let's see. Ako din na ilang beses na talagang trading. Stick to trading. Don't wag kayong mag-rely on other people's system. Kung may system silang, guys, invest in this company. You're gonna make some money. I'll send you money or something. Then say goodbye. Right, move on. Would you buy a sideway or wait sa dip? So I would never buy on a sideway. Well, it depends. So you need to look at where the trend is on that. So like I'm gonna use ADA as an example, right? So depending on the trend, so you need to draw your line lagi. Always draw a line. The line is what's gonna help you guys. As you notice already, na hindi ko ginagamit yung mga indicators na yung RSI. Hindi ako gumagamit ng mga ganon. Ito, all this stuff right here, hindi ko ginagamit yung mga ganyan. MACD. I try to keep my strategy or my chart reading simple as possible, because all this extra stuff is just extra. Gets nyo? So if you are looking at the MACD, this is healthy. Alright guys, this has plenty of room to go up. That's healthy indication. But at least I know how to read them, pero ayoko lang talagang gamitin yung mga MACD, RSI. Hindi ko na kailangan yun. Ang kailangan nyo lang is support and resistance. Nasaan na yung price ng certain crypto or stock market or stock. You just need to keep it simple. Now when you're day trading, it's a little bit different. You need to use your EMA, your MA, mga ganyan. You need to use your smooth average, moving average, stochastic, mga ganon. But day trading is a little bit more complicated kasi you need to know talaga kung where is that particular trend within 1 hour or within 5 minutes. Yeah, marami pang educational needs na kailangan talaga pag mag-day trade ka. Hindi lang yung magja-jump in ako tapos I'm gonna swing it. That's called swing trading. Meron ding strategy na mag-swing trade ka, which is a little bit different than day trading. Day trading, you need to actually watch yung nangyayari sa chart. Versus swing trading is you can jump in anywhere, anytime, and then wait and see maybe 1 or 2 days, maybe 1 week or 1 month until you see some profit. That's called swing trading. So you need to, there's maraming strategy na pwede mong gamitin when you're trading. So but yeah, trading sideways, you just need to watch where the trend is going, kind of like what this is doing right here. But it's in an uptrend, yes. So if it's in an uptrend, you can definitely buy. Is it a bullish trend? Definitely a bullish trend. So marami kang, you need to ask yourself questions whether if it's in a bullish trend, are we in a bull trend, bearish trend, things like that, up and down, up or down. And then kung may believe ka dun sa company na yon, and you think that company has potential to go up, definitely yes, I would buy it sideways. Okay sana ako natin baka nag-trading like sa friendship. Yes, it's okay. The only thing about trading view is you're limited to all the features that you can use, pero okay lang kasi I don't need all that. Pwede kang mag-build ng watch list, pwede kang actually you can build 2 watch lists, one for the stock market, one for crypto. And what else? You can use some of the features. All my features are right here. That's all I need. Circle, that little drawing thingy. Ano pa? The little text, the arrows, the price range. Find out how much is something gonna go up, right? It gives you a percentage. Like this is a 50% move right here, guys. So when Cardano ADA moves, it's gonna move 50%. So price target is around $1 and almost $2 then. So that's how you figure a price target. You always calculate right here, or you can even bring it down here to be more realistic. Price target is right here, or my first, or second, 25% move. Definitely patience is money. Yes, patience pays. Hey guys, good morning. If you're tuning in, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live stream. We're trying to make money here. Nah. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are giving away $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month, guys. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Hit that like button. There's also a notification bell, guys. If you want to hit that, you can. You get notified anytime I upload a video or when we go live. So I appreciate you all for coming. Today, we are talking about charts at the moment. If you guys have any, coin you want me to look at, you want me to do any charting, let me know in the comment. If you have any questions right now, that's what we're going over. And we're going to go over a little bit about Coinbase as well. Why is Coinbase going to be a big thing for crypto? And why is the stock, well, I don't know about the Philippine stock. How is the Philippine stock market right now? Anybody know? Anybody know how the Philippine stock market is anybody trading the stock market in the Philippines? Magkano po yung per share ng Dogecoin na XRP sa peso? Good question, Crystal. So I need a calculator to for the currency exchange. Man, you can pull out a calculator yourself. Loko. Nobody trades stock market sa Pilipinas. Bakit? Gusto ko malaman kung may option trading sila. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys something, okay? Not to flex. I'm not flexing or anything, but I want to show you guys something. My biggest gains sa Bitcoin. You guys are gonna be like, that's crazy. This is how you know it's real. Wrong one. This is how you guys know that is real. Where is it? Playlist. Let's go to 60. Oh, here we go. Let me turn off that music though. Dito nga, laki ng binaba ng stock market namin nung last year, March. The biggest downtrend ever in history of the stock market, and the fastest. And also the fastest recovery. So a lot of people made money on the way down, and a lot of people made money on the way up. Kung marunong ka mag-option trading, definitely go for it, man. I'll watch you do it. But here's my option trading for Bitcoin, guys. There is definitely a way for you to trade options on Bitcoin. Show you guys something. It's a 60-second video that I post. So I usually post mga 60-second videos as well. It's kind of like when the breakout happens, or if something like this, I made some profit on Bitcoin. Here, guys, I'm gonna let y'all watch it. $20,000 profit, guys. I think it was like more or less, but yeah, $20,000 profit. Kasi I had dalawa yung position ko dyan. One was for a $30,000 strike price, and then yung last one was a $50,000 strike price. Alam nyo na yung price ng Bitcoin ngayon, 60,000 plus. So I got in at the perfect time by waiting, and yun, in-execute ko na kahit tumataas pa yung Bitcoin. Oo, tumataas pa siya, and lalo siya, it was $60,000 now. But I was happy with my profit. So as long as my profit profit is profit, man. That's 10K, 20K, whatever it is. $100, $100, $50, man. I'm happy with that thing. Happy ako sa $50 profit. If you make $50 profit daily, okay na yun. But yeah, basta it's always patience, guys. Always patience. Keep learning, man. Ang ginawa ko, like, to learn charts, I used to just YouTube all the time. YouTube ko yung mga charts ng ibang tao, kasi everybody has a different way of saying things na, kasi sometimes it's not because of the how do you say it? It's not because of the person or something like that. It's the way they say it, so you can understand on how to do charts, kasi two people can explain the same chart, but one person is yung explanation niya para sa charts is totally different than compared to the next person who's probably just really simple about explaining charts. All right, this is all you gotta do: draw your line, draw your support, and that's it. And wait. Always wait before you get excited and you want to jump in on some prices. Yeah, definitely worth the wait. So back to XRP, it's dropping below this line here, but to me it's still healthy. So as you can see, guys, hindi ako nagpa-panic. Otherwise I would have stayed up all night waiting and watching, kasi Let's see what else. Ano yung question nyo na? Let's see. Medyo about stock market. So tumataas na ang stock market sa Pinas. May suggest natin kung anong mangyayari pag na-reels. The price is probably gonna go up. I mean, usually parang nangyari sa but then again, it's very risky kasi back to ADA, right? So dito there's a story here about ADA Cardano. Hindi ko alam kung dito yun nangyari or dito yun nangyari. I can't remember. Pero Coinbase didn't have Cardano ADA for the long term. Didn't have Cardano ADA in their system. They at first ayaw nila yung Cardano ADA. May problema sila sa owner or something like that. So eventually since malaki na yung demand na ilagay nila yung Cardano ADA sa Coinbase, they finally took it as a positive thing for the company. So they listed Cardano ADA on Coinbase Pro, not Coinbase but Coinbase Pro, and then nangyari, tumaas ang Coinbase, but there was some profit taking. Okay, it went down. So tumaas ang Cardano ADA and then profit taking. Okay? So ang feeling ko lang is if Coinbase says that they will release XRP, since Coinbase is one of the biggest exchange globally, ang mangyayari, in my opinion, is it's gonna go up and then profit taking, kind of like what we have here. I'm still gonna stick with this, with my little prediction here. All right, not gonna change it. I'm gonna keep it like this, but the lines will change depending on the support and resistance of the candles. So the only thing we can do for now is just wait and see and find out what's happening with these candles. Kasi parang the candles is telling you what investors are doing, right? So investors are either trying to drive the price up, are they driving the price down? So you need to know these things so you can have, for future references. Let's see. Hey guys, if you're just tuning in, welcome. Let's see. So, again, back to the Philippine stock market. They should be recovering, right? I mean, they should have recovered a year ago. I don't know, it just depends. Because maraming businesses na naapektuhan sa pandemic eh. I mean, ganun din dito. Maraming business na nag-shutdown. One of my favorite tech store to go get computer parts, they shut down. All of their stores actually. Check ko lang yan. Questions. Let's go to questions. Bumababa na. Yeah, a little bit. Not too much. So, the reason why dati, my beginning stages of ng trading, I used to look at the 1 minute charts. 1 minute charts. Look at this. Tell me how scary this drop looks. So this was called, if I'm looking at this 1 minute chart, okay, I can tell you right away that alam ko na mangyayari dito. Kasi this is what I call tabletop drop. Morning. What's up? What's up, man? Is Josh here? Where's Josh? Arjan Soriano. That's one of my mods right there. Shout out to Arjan. So yeah, this is what I call tabletop drop. I know it's gonna drop here. It looks like this was a double top or something like that, but this is on a 1 minute chart, guys. Stop. Don't look at the 1 minute chart. It's scary. Go to the 4 hours. Oh, too zoomed in. Go to the 4 hours, and it's not as scary. Even though the candles are bigger, but you know, it's still on this uptrend, guys. You gotta remember that it's easier to look at the 4 hour. XRP is still up 5% on the 24 hours. So I think a lot of coins are going down now, or chilling. Remember what I was saying yesterday? Something about wait till it all calms down. That's what's happening now. Everything is calming down. You know, taking a breather, take a break. Let's see. Let's look at the chat. Ano po magandang time frame, sir? Yeah, so always go back and forth. But I like to stay within the 4 hour chart. Yan ang pinaka magandang chart for me. Depende kung ano, you really need to take a deep dive into like what's really yung nangyayari talaga sa market, then go to the 1 hour chart. Yan ang ginagawa ko. So if you go to the 1 hour chart, as you can see, kakatapos lang ng red candle na to, it stay on the line sa support. Nag-open ulit ng candle dito sa sa right side. And this is another hour of trading, right? Between buyers and sellers. So it looks like it's gonna work its way up again, maybe trade sideways some more, I don't know. Just depends. This is what the 1 hour chart tells you more of what's going on in the trading session. So it went up, went down, held the position or held the support, and it's gonna just probably keep trading sideways, guys. Who knows? We need to see volume pick up. See, bigger volume here, down here. Bigger volume, died down a little bit. Big sell volume here. Remember, 195, 197 area. Big sell volume, shake out. Getting rid of all the rest of sellers. This is the part na you need to pay attention to, because if this is the way, if I'm thinking that the way it's playing out ngayon is if it's getting rid of sellers sa 195, baka siya, tumaas pa siya past $2.50 or something like that, even $3 by next week. So my little prediction here, $2 is gonna drop down here, retrace. It might not even happen, kasi if it goes up past $2.50 to $3, that's when it might happen. Pero if we want to see healthy bull trend for XRP, kailangan talaga natin mag-retrace sa 200 EMA. Eventually, kailangan natin yun. So, we might see this go up here. Wait till this line goes up here and then retrace. Depende lang talaga. But at $2, it was my price target, since it was the last of our little Fibonacci retracement here. Any questions? Yeah. So I use 3 and 15 minute charts. So yeah, everybody has everybody has their own strategy on how to day trade. Um, RJ, or I'm just gonna call you RJ, bro. I know you. Uses the 3 minute and the 15-minute chart. So, depende lang talaga sa'yo. Kung what makes you comfortable, guys. That is the key. What makes you comfortable? Um, question po. Medyo late po ako sa stream. Yung, oh man, that's the that's the question. That's the ang tawag dito, the confusing part, right? What does TP mean? Target price or take profit? uh, here should we stop holding and take profit when it reach there, or we can still wait? So, depende sa sa risk tolerance. If you can wait, I would wait. Regardless of it going down or not, if you can wait, definitely wait. If not, if you need to take the profit there, then take the profit there. But me, I'm still waiting. Honestly, I'm waiting for it to go to $10. Hindi, okay lang yan. When is the best time, coach, to buy? Stick pa din po sa 1.5 to 1.6. Yeah, I would wait for now kasi sobrang taas na siya. So so this is the last or not the last, but we're on the top. Right? Nasa top na siya eh. So never buy the top. Malapit tayo sa resistance right here. And then there's another resistance right here. So you never really want to buy sa resistance, right? You always want to buy support, even though nandito tayo sa support. But I would wait kasi mas baka, like, let's say it does go down here to the 1.50 cents and you buy up here, then you lost money, right? Well, you're not really losing money unless you sell it, pero you're gonna be like, oh man, I lost money, I'm losing money. But what you can do is you can average your price by buying more down here, right? So let's say you bought 500 dito, tapos pumaksak siya, buy 1,000 here. 1,000 shares dito, and then wait for it to go up. Then you have an average price in the middle of $1.65 or something like that, or in that nature. Let's see. Ang hirap mag-isip ng itatanong, coach. Okay pa ba pag take profit dyan sa lane till 12? What you mean? Like 12 p.m. or I don't know, 12 a.m. dyan sa Pinas. Wait, I don't know what time it is in there. Yeah, I think it's 12 a.m. Kasi gabi na dyan, di ba? Yeah, it is nice. I'm over here talking to myself. But we'll come back. Anybody can answer that? Kasi, like, if I'm understanding it right, okay pa ba mag-take profit dyan sa lane till 12? Yeah, I mean, like I said, like, if you're in profit, guys, you can take profit right now. You don't have to wait until it hits the target price. But kung okay lang yung risk tolerance nyo, and then if you have the extra capital, keep your holdings right now. And mag-add na lang kayo. Bro, sana or sa mga appear bang pattern sa chart is 99% accurate or depends talaga sa galaw ng market? So far, I would say it's 80% to 90%, not 99. Kasi, like, for example, right, it's going up. All right, it's going up, and then may bigla na lang, bad news sa XRP. Like, it's just randomly today, right now. Then something like that could affect the price of it. So it could definitely scare a lot of investors, and then stop loss will be triggered, and then panic selling will, it will bring the price down dramatically. Malaki. So a bad news can definitely affect the market at any time. It doesn't matter kung sino yung market or your the crypto or it doesn't matter what crypto it is. May daming question na hindi ko na kikita. Sorry guys. Let's see. Buy dip. We don't have a dip yet. Wala pang dip sa XRP. Going to $2 this week. Yeah, so this is a good thing actually dito in this area. Kasi trading sideways is better than going downways. Trading sideways, the longer trade sideways, the bigger or the better it will move up. So we started the weekly candle Monday. I think Monday or... Look at this. This is the weekly candle. 2 weeks it's been going up, guys. So is it going down? No, it's been going up. So the dips look really big if you're on a smaller time frame, but on a if you go out, let me delete all that. If you zoom out to the weekly candle, it's nothing. It's been going up a lot. You see that? Let's look at how much it went up from here to here. That's a 210% move, guys. Just from here, look. Where is it at? Right there. 208, if somewhere in that time frame, in that area. Yeah. So where was we previously? Yeah, from here, from the breakout. From the breakout, it's been going up about 210%. All right. So it's an uptrend, definitely an uptrend. It just looks scary if you go back down to like a smaller time frame. It's going down for real. Oh, I don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah. Nawala yung music natin. Nakalimutan ko na. Let's see. Trying to answer more questions. Can we... yeah, for sure. You can hate them or you can love them. Let's go back to my charts. Nawala eh. There it is. I don't want to lose my what we were working so hard for. There it is. Can we say na XRP will still be at $3 or higher by the end of April? Yeah, definitely. Kasi there's still plenty of time for it to even like, let's say, even if it goes to $2.50 ngayon or this weekend, And then bigla na lang siyang bababa ng then there's still plenty of time for it to go back up really quick. Very quick. So take advantage of any dips that you will see. My price target for April is 6 months, guys. 6 months. Or not 6 months, $6. $6. Let's see if I can answer some more questions. Any more questions, guys? Let's see here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been about an hour and 16 minutes of this live stream. If you are sitting down, you need to stand up, do some exercise, some type of exercise, get some blood flowing. I know it's, baka gabi na dyan sa Pinas, and everybody's gonna be like looking at you weird, but you need to get that blood flowing. You need to get excited. Yeah. Straighten your back a little bit. Back's been all crunched up kasi nakatitig tayo sa PC, sa phone. You need to step back a little bit. Stretch out. We got another 45 minutes to go, and we're gonna go over why Coinbase IPO is tignan ko lang yung There's some new members on Discord. Welcome. Well, I don't know if they can hear me. I don't think they can hear me. But if you are going to be watching this video, welcome. And let's see. We are live Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time. Sorry, let me just run through this news real quick about Coinbase. Unstoppable like this dramatic. Gusto ko sana i-live stream ang Coinbase IPO ngayon. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong oras yung IPO ng Coinbase. I'll find out and then I will let you know in the Discord. If I'm gonna live stream the Coinbase IPO, I'll let you guys see the I don't know. You guys are probably gonna go sleep, Some of you guys are probably drinking already. Coinbase crypto exchange has gotten too lofty. Man, if you were here and you were trading the stocks, Coinbase has a reference price of $250 per share. That is crazy. Here, I'll let y'all read it. Look at this. Nasdaq gave Coinbase a reference price of $250 a share on Tuesday evening. That is nuts, man. Yung pinakamalaki kong nakitang price per share was $160. I think it was for Snowflake or something like that last year. And I said, nah. Overhype. Tapos, ang nangyari na lang is people took profits and it went down. RJ knows. He was there. K-drama. Thank you for being here. I don't know, man. I don't know if I can compare with K-drama. Sayo. Late pumasok sahod. It's the best online class, to be honest. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Always, man. Newbie, welcome, newbie. John Carlo, what's up, buddy? Don't forget to like the video. Coinbase valuation is listed under ticker symbol coin, which is pretty cool. That's easy, right? Let's see here. Ooh, they have a target price of $600. That's some. Let's see here. I don't even know how to mention that name. Her name is. She's an analyst. Analyst Lisa Ellis explained to the market why the offering is as she described. It's not for the faint of heart. Definitely. I mean, if your price target is $600, imagine going from $250 to $600, guys. Whew. So, I mean, that's nuts. I'm just gonna wait. Hihintay na lang ako kasi overhype yan eh. Okay lang XRP. Yeah, okay lang yan. Sana yan. First rating Nasdaq, super bullish on Coinbase because you get the sense that they are a market leader in the space and especially in the crypto. Kind of percent of Coinbase revenue are derived directly from retail trading, with most in the US and trading externally. Yeah. So, guys, I just thought of something. You have to keep in mind that once the SEC lawsuit against Ripple XRP is finally settled in, you have to keep in mind that if you have a position, whether you position yourself down here or dito, kahit saan dito, basta once the SEC lawsuit is finally over, the price of XRP will drastically move up. Like, maraming mafo-FOMO doon sa price for XRP. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi, mag-hold kayo long term. So, wag na kayo matakot sa mga small price drops like here, retracements. These are all normal and healthy price actions. Kailangan talaga to for a big move up, bullish momentum up. So that way, when $10 XRP gets here, or even, hindi ko alam kung may narinig kayong news na XRP was meant for $10,000. Hindi ko alam kung believer kayo doon, pero just in case, I'm gonna hold some of my XRP kasi yung sell price ko $100. $50, $100, mga ganun. I'm gonna sell like maybe 10%, 20% here and there. But long term, that's the thing about, it doesn't matter pag nasa stock market ka or nasa crypto market ka. You don't know yung future. Hindi mo alam yung nangyayari sa future. So, for example, nobody knows na Bitcoin is gonna be $64,000 yung price ngayon. But the ones who were strong enough, diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands, they held for the longest. That's what a diamond hand person is the one who was holding the longest, right? Who was the one who held the longest is called a diamond hands. But that's anyways, nobody knows what's gonna happen in the future. So is XRP gonna be something worth na ganyang kalaki one day? Possibly, right? Let's see. Don't forget to like the video, sir. Pag mababa. Better lang po ba pag maliit ka pero long term? Uh, if I can understand yung question correctly, it's better to start small. It's always better to start small and then eventually, work your way to whatever, your budget fits. Kasi that's how I started. I started, I think, with only mga $400 to $500 lang. And then no, my smallest, I started with $100 and then bi-weekly yung sahod ko noon. And so nag-deposit ulit ako ng extra $300 to $400. So my first month of investing started with $500. So it depends sa'yo, sa budget mo talaga. Kung ano yung like pag hindi mo kailangan yung pera for 1 month or something like that, or 6 months or 1 year, if you can let it go, say goodbye to it, put it in your investment long term, then do it. If you're comfortable with putting, I don't know, whatever amount, like let's say $100 for example, let it go, say goodbye to it, and that's it. Updates sa lawsuit. We will take a look and see what's going on. I think may nagsabi na may news na nagpost sa, I think it was last night, pero may nagpost na a settlement is definitely coming soon kasi wala na yata magawa ang SEC. So natatalo na sila sa lawsuit basically. And the judge is pretty much made up her mind sa lawsuit, and she denied, Judge Torres denied the financial statements that the SEC wanted from Ripple, and so there's nothing, that's what they were trying to do, pero they got denied that. So they lost that part of the lawsuit. So that was good news for XRP. Kaya we're seeing these price actions, but so far the SEC has been losing, and I think the judge already made up her mind about the whole thing. So we're just waiting for a settlement. Isipin mo, yung mga lawyers lang ng Ripple is I think gastos nila lahat dun is $3.5 million. Sa lawyers lang yun. Hindi pa yung settlement. So, we'll find out soon. May nakita ko sa Twitter one day, I think $100 million was the settlement. Pero, we'll see. We'll find out. It's pretty expensive. Meron coach gusto nang magasgas o may nalinito pa sa pagbenta. Sabi ko, invest lang muna para lumago pa. Yeah. Pag kakabuy nyo lang dito sa price dito or dito, mag-wait lang kayo. Hold lang. So far, yeah, I appreciate it, man. Crunky boy. Appreciate that. Let's see what else. Let's see here. Let's look at some other coins. Anong nangyayari sa Tumataas pa rin yung BTC dominance. Bumababa yung total market cap for altcoins. This way. That's why we're seeing kind of like these price actions of going down. So, SB bet. Yeah, so it's pretty much all across the board. So we're seeing all altcoins going down because of BTC dominance. That would mean BTC is going down as well. But we'll see. We'll just keep waiting. Pababa na. Yeah, going down, but we still have a support right here. So if you guys bought here, all right, if you guys bought this area here, wait lang kayo. Don't sell here. Don't panic sell. Nakikita ko na bumababa ang altcoin market cap and tumataas ang Bitcoin market cap. So big drop. That is a big drop. Let's see here. Don't panic though. It's all right. That's a 5% move down. But like I said, guys, we have another level of support here. So keep an eye on this one. Okay. Keep an eye on this one. Yeah. Keep holding, guys. Keep holding. So let me remind you guys. I don't know if pag kung nandito kayo back in 2017 investing in crypto, but XRP went from 40 cents yata, 40 cents at the end of 2017 around December, to from 40 cents to about $3.92. That is the all-time high of XRP. So we are actually on what do you call it, like on our way to break that all-time high. The reason why I know that it's gonna happen, it's because of the price action that we are seeing currently. So the reason why I can say that is because the move up on the, let me see here, let me show you guys. The move up on the daily is a lot slower versus what was happening in 2017. So if, and another reason why I know it's gonna happen, it's gonna go above the $3.92, is because if we see this drop to $1.50, then it's definitely gonna happen. Because a retrace back down here is a good sign. It's definitely a healthy sign. Everybody's like, it's going down. Yeah, so if you bought down here and if it goes down below this this last piece of support dito, you can definitely take profit. Yeah, I would. I mean, why not? Pag may profit ka na, take profit, man. But look, there's still that strong support right there. Look at that. You want to zoom in on that? Look, you see how it's going up above this support again? You gotta trust your lines, man. You have confidence in your trading. Yan. One day, guys, pag confident na kayo talaga, nothing will faze you. Nothing will faze you. Wait lang. There you go. Copy. There you go. Yeah, look at that. It's holding pretty well, guys. Pang DJ po, bosses mo. Actually, you know what? DJ ako dati. Truth to be told, DJ ako dati, guys. But I was more of a house music, little bit of EDM, and a little bit of trap music. And I like hip hop. I actually like hip hop. So, but yes, right on. I used to party all the time. I won mini battles, DJ battles. Tatlong line saan? I have 2 lines of support right now, which is this one right here, this one right here, and then I have 1 line of resistance right here. So we know for a fact that this resistance is the way it is because one, it needs to touch this candle here, the very beginning of the candle, and then touch here, and then just extend it out here further. You can short this this line. You can have it however long you want, but I like to have it just like that. And the reason why is because we know for a fact na yung malaki yung resistance dito around 195, 197. Okay lang yan. It's okay to talk personal here. We could talk about personal stuff. Not too personal, but personal stuff. But yeah, yan ang ano ko. That's how I draw my lines. Touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. And then down here, another touch here, touch here. Basta may touches right there. No, man, I can't sing. I like to sing. Sa shower lang. No, trading now is my full time. It's easier for me to trade now. I actually parang hindi ko na second nature na ang trading sa akin. And the reason, I'm making YouTube videos to share what I know. And made a Discord channel as well. If you guys want to join our Discord, it's under Valuetainment. We provide value and entertainment. Galing, no? But yeah. So yeah, that's how I draw my lines. And no, my new side gig now is making YouTube videos and talking to you guys on Discord. It's fun. I love it. Especially, I've always wanted to do something for the Philippines. It was always been my dream. Because I grew up for 10 years sa Pilipinas. I was based off of sa Sabang, Morong, Bataan. I grew up in the mountains sa probinsya, right? And I guess I just it wasn't as developed like it is now, pero I've always wanted to do something for home. Anything I can do, that I guess I can provide that can be worth it, then I will do it. Let's see. So, ang ginawa ko sa beginning, guys, when I was a technology teacher, yung sahod namin was monthly. So, ang nagawa ko ng budget. I called it the 50-30-20 rule. So, the 50% was to go pay the bills. 30% was to, pay the utility or whatever, the gas, the groceries. And the 20% would go into my long-term investment. So, you just divide it up by 50%, 30%, 20%. The total amount of your pay, and then that's how I use my my 20% was for investment. So eventually it worked out well. Eventually it took a long time, but it worked out. And then I used some of that money, when I was taking profit. I wasn't taking profit 100%. I was taking little by little, and then put it into day trading, learning. Mainly was learning. I paid somebody to teach me how to trade, and yeah, parang ganito din. Pero yung ginagawa ko ngayon is free. All I ask is like and subscribe to the video. That's it. No, I mean, like I said, it's just eventually gusto ko din mag-service ng ganun, na build ng class or something like that for trading. But yes, start off kasi you have to think about yung goals mo, yung what makes you want to become successful, I guess. Why do you want to be successful? Things like that. It's just all wants and ideas at first, but pag malakas talaga yung feeling na yun, then you do whatever it takes. Yes, you guys are getting a free course of technical analysis. So, XRP update, it's going down. It's going down. But, again, we have a last piece of support dito. And we need to know if that support will hold. And so far it's holding. There's still 2 hours and 17 minutes on this candle. There's still a 2 hours and 17 minutes trade session on this candle. So we need to see who wins this battle. Is it the bears or is it the bulls? Is it bullish or is it bearish, right? Are we gonna take a turn on this trend? What's gonna happen? So to know for sure, go down to the 1 hour chart, and it looks like this candle here closed right here on the line, the second line of support, and then we have a red candle in between. This is what I have right here. I call this the land of nowhere. We don't know, right? We don't know what's happening here, but because it's in between these two lines, so I call it the land of nowhere. So wait here, don't do anything here. It's just it's just the bulls and the bears fighting of what they want to do. So, but let me tell you this. I can tell you guys this right here looks like a head and shoulders. Okay, usually head and shoulders are a sign of it going down, but I cannot advise you guys to do, I can only tell you, if you're comfortable, take your profit. If you already make profit, take your profit and just wait to see how this plays out. If you bought here, hold on to your shares, guys. Because this is something that you need to wait for. Like I said before, you need to wait. Always wait and find out where it's gonna go. If it breaks this line, I can tell you guys where it's gonna go next. Right here. Retracement. on the golden line, which is the 50 moving average. If it fails that, it will go down to that support right here. This is a even bigger support. There's a lot of buyers in this area. $1.50. Somewhere right there. Let me just, yeah, there you go. $1.50 area. There's way more buyers in that area. Common mistakes I've done when I started trading. First was emotional buying. I just bought because I was like, may pera ako. I'm gonna buy every single thing I want, this and that, and then I didn't know what to do with it. So, when I start seeing nothing, then, may maraming pumapasok sa isip ko na, nothing's happening, wala naman talaga to, it's not making money, so I take my money back. But then, when you take your money back, it's less kasi may fee, right? So, you lose money that way. The fees. Now you got less. If you put $100, they take out $5. You're out $5. So now you got $95. So the exchange made money from you because you didn't know what to do with it. So knowing first, know why you're trading, know why for sure. It's like let's say you are bibili ka ng car and your goal is to resell it. You buy it for $1,000. Your goal is to resell it, but for how much? Well, it depends, but again, pag hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo sa car, let's say you bought it for $1,000, it looks like shit, and you keep it like shit, and you try to sell it, somebody's probably gonna offer you $800 because you didn't do nothing, But let's say you clean it up a little bit, you wash it, you change the, pinalitan mo yung brakes, or brand new oil change, or nilinis mo yung loob, and you make it look really nice, then you can say, oh yeah man, I did this to it, ito yung ginawa ko sa bagong brakes, then people are gonna be like emotional buying. Oh really, you did that? Okay, 1,500 sold, right? Change oil. For the longest time, hindi ko na-gets yung joke na yun. And then I had to have somebody explain to me, ano to change oil na to? But yeah, same thing with trading, guys. You buy XRP, how much do you want to resell it for? So ako, I want to resell it for $100. That's definitely long term. Kasi magre-retire naman tayo. What if one day we're gonna, eventually we're gonna have to save for retirement? Lagay mo na lang sa long-term investment. I know. Kahit dito. Change oil. Mga barkada ko dito. Pinapagtawanan naman na lang namin yun. It's funny. I don't know. Hindi kasi Pag may coins ka and you wanna save it long term, ilagay mo na lang sa wallet. Libre naman yan eh. Libre yung ilalagay mo lang sa wallet. Kasi sa Binance, if something happens to Binance, then like let's say nahack ang Binance, and that person, decided na they're gonna take everybody's coin, and you got affected to it because they hold your key. So if that person hacks Binance and took everybody's key, well, your coins are gone. But if pag may sarili kang wallet, you hold your own key, so you create the keys and everything, itago mo, lagay mo sa wallet mo, I don't know, tago mo sa safe, make it a tattoo. It's safer, right? Kasi ikaw yung nakahawak ng key, right? Hindi, you don't rely on anybody else to hold the key for you. Wow, time is passing by. Well, guys, you guys know what to do. Like and subscribe to the video. We are live Monday to Saturday. I keep wanting to say Monday to Friday. Maybe I need to take Saturday off. But Saturday is like, it's like the most exciting day for crypto. Sunday, not so much. But yes, we are live Monday to Saturday. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. U.S. Central Time. And we talk about anything and everything. Q&A, charts all day long, XRP pricing, what's happening with XRP. XRP is trying to break that last piece of support. Take your profits now. You will regret it if you don't. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take my word. So, because if you sell now, what if it goes up in the next 7 minutes? Because there's 7 minutes left on that candle because it's an hourly candle, and we need to see what happens here in the next 6 minutes. Yeah. Sorry, guys, if you are not on our Discord channel, please follow us on Discord. It's Valuetainment. Lots of fun. We're on there all day, sometimes all night, and we have a great time. I appreciate you guys for watching this channel and supporting. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys on Discord. Peace. Thank you guys, Thank you. Salamat. Have a good night. Good night po. Go sleep. Stop watching the stock market, or the crypto market. Tulog na kayo. Bye, guys.